All right, here we go. So this is the Swamp Ash Telly build. It's a multi-piece Swamp Ash body. It was finished at Warmoth 220 grit sandpaper, so it's nice and smooth, ready for finish. I've decided that I'm going to stain this wood. So we have the pre-stain here, and then the finish, the stain itself, which is it's called Simply White. It's just a semi-transparent white stain. And then, like it or not, I'm gonna polyurethane after that. I thought long and hard about it. The neck I have is satin, so I kind of want a body that's satin, and that's what that is. I could order some finish from StuMac. It's like $25. I've got this here. You know, I don't know that it'll really make a huge difference one way or the other. So here we go. Okay, here we go. This is a post pre-stain. Just want to share with you what it looks like with the darker grain. It's actually really pretty. I don't know what it'll look like with the white stain over it, but some of that should come through, and then the back looks really good as well. So that has to dry for 15 to 30 minutes, so I'll let that occur, and then we'll move on to the stain. I did want to show you one thing though. I got a new sander. Alright, here's the sander. It's a 4x36 belt sander with a little bitty flat disc sander there, 6-inch. It's got all the parts and pieces. I got to put it together, get it up and running, but that's going to exponentially increase my quality when it comes to sanding saddles and nuts and things of that nature. It won't be anywhere near as taxing on my wrists and fingers. Not that I'm complaining, I'm going for longevity here. Alright, they're here. Let's get them open and see what they look like. Alright, we got a bridge, a neck, and a 4-way switch to jack. Very cool. $223.23. Thank you, whoever you are out there that built that for me. Appreciate it. Here's directions. Epic, so epic. Get pretty excited. Okay, here we are. Post pre-stain, and then I sanded with 220 the whole body to knock the grain back down. I used the Lowe's sandpaper, made it really easy. The sand block, and then also a foam pad, just to kind of keep it as flat as I possibly could. And we're about to go into the stain here. All right, here we go. I gotta wipe off the stain here in like a couple minutes. And we'll see what it looks like. I can recoat it in 2 hours if I want it to be more white, I guess. And then I think let it dry 4 hours, and then I can put the poly on it. Cool. Well, not super successful after staining. As you can see, it's pretty blotchy. So I'm not really sure what to do. We're going to let it dry. I just wiped it off and go from there. All right, folks. It's been a couple of days since I last recorded on this project. I've just been sanding here and there slowly after using the acetone to remove the bulk of the stain. You know, you just see kind of like white highlights in the grain. So it's not a lot, but I think it'll look good once we get the finish on it. To the left here is, or to my left, this side. These are some of the products that I've used: acetone, pre-stain, the white wood finish, the Tru-oil, which is going to be the finish for it. I might use these brushes and I might wipe it on with a towel, I'm not sure yet. And then I did get a tack cloth to be able to remove the dust and stuff before I actually put the finish on. And then I'm planning to do some sanding in between, you know, definitely following the instructions as much as possible on the Tru-oil. Alright. This is probably going to close this video out until we get to, you know, next week and staining this thing, or putting the Tru-oil on it. I've been a little under the weather, so I'm kind of feeling nasally today, and but I'm still getting the video out for y'all, and we will have this thing playing here really soon. So if you found something that you appreciated in this video, anything at all, consider giving it a thumbs up. If you have watched a couple of these videos and you've enjoyed them, consider subscribing. It would really help me out in terms of getting this information out and that kind of thing. I appreciate your consideration, and yeah, I'll take it easy. And before you go, this is the back, which actually looks really cool. Alright, peace. Alright, I went ahead and put the Tru-oil on there, so this is what it looks like after the first coat. And here's the back. I swung it around for you so you could actually see. I think it's going to be really nice. Kind of relic-y, but not really. We'll see how it goes. Cheers.